As Vermont schools are preparing to reopen next Tuesday, Burlington leaders took questions from the community in a town hall meeting. Local 44's Devin Bates tonight with more.
Mayor Moreau Weinberger and Superintendent Thomas Flanagan were joined by pediatric infectious disease specialist Dr. William Razka, who opened his remarks with an attempt to reassure concerned parents.
If there's any take-home message from anything I say, I want everyone who's listening to this discussion tonight to remember that the prevalence rate in Vermont is much lower than almost anywhere else in the United States. Everyone is barraged every day, but the numbers across the United States, rising rates here and there, astronomical surges here and there, particularly in the Sun Belt. That is not Vermont.
Dr. Razka also noted that school-based studies have shown that children infrequently spread COVID-19 to other students or adults, and said kids are also less efficient at transmitting the virus. There's also been optimism over the fact that Vermont didn't see any outbreaks when child care centers reopened.
Schools may be even a bit safer than most other public spaces because we're going to be screening people to go in, we're going to be monitoring very carefully, we're going to do contact isolation. I think it's actually be a very safe public space. But there will be some child that will be diagnosed with COVID-19. And the state health department has really elaborate plans, just as you mentioned, that as soon as we identify a person, we're going to do contact tracing.
One town hall participant asked about recent comments from Vermont Education Secretary Dan French that suggested schools could enter step 3 of reopening as early as 2 weeks from now. That would allow for expanded in-person learning beyond the 2 days that the district's hybrid model currently allows for.
It indicates that we are more ready to come back fully in person, but it's not a signal that we have to come back. My goal is to be back as soon as we can. I'm hoping early October, and there's a lot to work out, a lot of details to work out to make sure that we can do that.
The district is also planning to send out an updated draft of their health and safety guidelines later this week after the state reduced physical distancing requirements from 6 feet to 3 to 6 feet inside schools. That's allowed more students to be inside the building at once, and the district has used that to give the option for special needs students to learn in person 4 days a week. In Burlington, Devin Bates, Local 44 News.